Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. In my last video, I told you how to color a color wheel, and in this video, I am continuing the same topic, and this is the part 2 of that video. And in this video, I will tell you how to make secondary colors. So let's start. These are 3 sections. This center parting means that you have to give ratio of 1:1, means one part yellow. I'll write here one part yellow, and you have to give one part red to make the secondary color. And same here, you have to take one part yellow and one part blue to make the secondary color. So now I am taking red and blue in 1:1 ratio. Now this color will be orange. This is your first secondary color, which you will get by mixing the two colors in equal part, means 1:1, one yellow and one red. Now my color is ready and I'm going to apply it in the secondary box. Now I will mix these two colors, red and blue. So I will take the same ratio of 1:1. So I will take one part red and one part blue to get the color. And the color what we'll make with this combination is violet. So I am mixing red and same I am going to take blue. Now my color is ready and I will apply this color in front of red and blue. Now this is your secondary color. So this orange and this violet is your secondary color, and same we will make the third secondary color by mixing one part yellow and one part blue. So now we have to mix these two colors, yellow and blue. So blue I am already having in my palette, so I am taking yellow in that. I'll take one part yellow and we will get green color by mixing yellow and blue. So this is our third secondary color which we are getting by mixing yellow and blue. Hope you are liking the video and you are understanding clearly. So my color is ready and I'm going to apply it in the color wheel. So where we have to do it? We have to do this green color in front of yellow and blue. Now my secondary colors are ready and hope you have liked the video. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful content and give a like, share it with your friends who are facing problem in color wheel. And color wheel is a very important thing. By color wheel, you can make a lot of colors, tints and shades. In my next video, I'll tell you about tertiary colors. So stay tuned, stay connected.